Hey guys, okay, so I'm about to show you a Salem FSX. It just got on the lot. I'm super excited because even though it does not have slides, it is absolutely, I love it. I absolutely love it. The price is insane. It's under, I think it's like $22.9. I love it. The discount is crazy. It is a 2025. I don't even know if it's on the website right now, but if you're looking for a bunkhouse, it has the bunkhouse. It's got the bunks. They're wide bunks. If you're looking for something just different with no slides, the right price, you have got to see this, and you better hurry because this one is, it really does have everything. You can get in, go out, do your thing, and the kids will love it. You'll love it because it has the space that you need even without a slide. So I'm really excited to show you. So let's go to the outside. 2025 Salem FSX. It is model 266 BHLE, and I cannot wait to show you. Like I said, there is no slide, but look, you can tell it's definitely wider. The color on the outside I absolutely love. I love their new designs with Salem. They just did such a great job. You've got a long awning. You can hook up your TV out here. You can put your picnic table out here. I mean, it is so nice. It even has a table in there that you can bring out here. You can move it around. You got your backup camera prep. I mean, it just looks so nice. All right, so let's take a look inside. Actually, I'm going to show you the space right here. So all the way through. All right. So, I mean, look at this. So nice. I mean, obviously, when you have no slides, it can be difficult to put everything in that you guys need, but this unit comes with storage, extra beds. This goes into a bed. I mean, comfy, the perfect bathroom, a nice big fridge. I mean, let's go through it all, but you're gonna see this is, and again, the price is even more insane. I'm just ecstatic to show you guys this. So here is the master bedroom. You have a barn door. It's not a curtain, it's a barn door. You've got plenty of space on each side. You got nice windows on each side. Let's go ahead and show you this. You can hang up your clothes. You got storage in here, which you can tell it all opens all the way, which I really like, and it goes all the way through. You can put your phone, books, cups, whatever on each side. It's got a, you can hook up, charge whatever you need to charge. And then you can put your entertainment over there on that side. And if you notice, there's lights all around. So you can, click on, I can't right now, obviously it's not plugged in, but I like the convenience of maybe turning on one or two. And then you can see that these ducts running here. So it's going to stay nice and either toasty or nice and, air conditioned. And then you've got this beautiful L-shaped couch, super comfy, guys. Not only that, it's right across from where you're gonna put your TV. You see that TV backer, put your TV here, relax on this side. You can even pull this out and make it a big fat couch. But I love the fact that not only is it L-shaped, so you have more room, but it comes all the way down. So they used this space, to me, so wisely. Then you have on the cross from this, you have a long counter, guys. I love this long countertop. It is a 3-burner. You've got a convection oven, which a lot of people are changing to, but you've got tons of storage here. All these drawers. I mean, again, I know I sound excited. That's because I really am excited. You got this beautiful window right out front where you can, wash your dishes. You can just you're able to see the beauty outside. maybe not right here, but wherever you plan to go. I mean, it's just, I love. And then you have all this space to cut up your onions or your food or whatever it is that you are going to do, but you have that space. And it is not stuffy, crowded in here. Like, 2 people can easily walk beside each other. I love that. I love the space that they have. Above the couch, you've also got more storage. It goes all the way through, and there's one on that side as well. You can hang up your coats, your backpacks, or whatever it might be. And then underneath this, you also have more storage. Now, under there, you've got a door that you can open for storage under there, and then you have under here as well. Very nice. Now we've got our big fridge. Again, you can put so much in here. I mean, it's plenty of space in both the fridge and freezer. You've got more storage right here. And I love storage, especially when it comes to RVs. It's always kind of hard to find storage, but they've done really, really well. Under the bunk beds, look at all that storage. Look at that space that somebody has. Not only that, this, if nobody's sleeping here or when you're traveling, this goes up, and now it breaks off right here all the way down, and you can pull it up. So giving you, maybe you have some bikes, maybe you have a little canoe or whatever that you want to pile in here while you're traveling. This is going to give you that opportunity. But also, these are very wide, so 2 people could easily sleep on these. You got, you got plugins on both the bottom and the top. And I love that both of them have a window. I love that. You've got ducts and lights over here as well. And then you've got a light there. Now this table can be put right in front of you, right here. It can be taken outside. You can store it like this. You can store it under here. You can store it under this couch. So, but having the option of just, maybe I want to eat outside with the whole family. You have that option to do that. Take it out, put it over there. Or you can just, maybe it's raining, you can put it right here and everybody can enjoy their meal inside. You have a bathroom that is a great size. There is so much space in here, and I love the fact that it is a walk-in shower. It's not, I normally like little tubs, which they do have those too, but I love when you can just walk in. It gives, especially people that maybe don't like to feel so squeezed into a unit, this is a perfect shower for that. You got cubby areas right here, which of course these can move up and down, so if you want to move them, or if you want to move them higher or lower, whatever, you have that option. You've got a little sink over here, storage underneath there, a nice, and then under here you got more storage. I like the little window in here as well, but again, plenty of space to have a seat, do your thing, and not be crowded. So what do you guys think of this? And again, if you want to know any information, please reach out, because this thing is gonna go so fast, whether it's on the website or not. As soon as somebody sees this and the price, and the amount of space that this is offering, even without a slide, is absolutely insane. So call, text, email, come up and see me, Funtown RV in Waco. Ask for Rachel. I'll be happy to help you guys out. But yeah, let me know. My information's down below in the description. But until next time.